Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you a twist on deviled eggs. So today we're going to make buffalo style deviled eggs. Super delicious, so easy. So I just have 6 hard-boiled eggs. You can easily double or triple this recipe. So I'll have all the ingredients in the description below. So I've already cut them in half. You don't want to watch me do all that, right? And I'm just going to scoop out the yolk. So just nice and simple. There's a little spoon here. Try to get most of it. There we go. Okay. I love deviled eggs, like any way you make them. It was funny. I was just talking to my brother, Jimmy, the other day. I have 2 brothers, Jimmy and Wayne. They're both really good cooks themselves. And Jimmy's like, what are you gonna be making for the holidays? You doing any deviled eggs? I'm like, well, I'm always doing deviled eggs. He's like a traditionalist. He's like, well, I always make them. I just like a little mayo, a little mustard in mine. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I make them a gazillion different ways. He's like, really? And I'm like, yeah, sometimes I like a little relish in them. You can make them buffalo style. You can add avocado. You can put bacon. Shrimp. Why not? It's kind of endless, right? So I'm always like, have fun in the kitchen, right? And give your family something a little bit different, right? Sometimes they're expecting something. It's nice to kind of surprise them a little bit. All right, I'm going to keep scooping away, and I'll show you how to get these done. It just takes minutes. Okay, so the yolks are all in. Just going to give them a nice mash. And it's just a few ingredients. And these come together so quick. It's funny. You can do them a bunch of different ways. You can do your hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot, which I'll have a recipe for you. I'll put a link below. And then also, I think it was Barefoot Contessa that told me the trick, or I learned the trick from watching her on Food Network. And one of the ways to do them on the stovetop, and they always come out perfect for your boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs that is you take the eggs cold, cover it with cool water, cold water. It doesn't have to be a certain temperature, just not warm water. Put it on the stovetop, turn the heat on to high. Once the water comes up to a big boil, you're going to shut the stove off, take it off the heat, and cover it 14 minutes exactly. Then you're going to drain them in cold water, put it in an ice bath, let it sit there for about 5-10 minutes. They come out perfect every single time. Yep, so that's it. Okay, so we got the eggs mashed in here. I'm going to start adding in my ingredients. No waste here, right? Okay, so I've got a little bit of mayo. Use your favorite. I love Duke's, but whatever your favorite brand is. Got a little bit of honey. I know this sounds a little strange, but I even like my buffalo wings or buffalo chicken sandwiches. I like a little honey in there. I love the spice, but I think it needs a little sweet. Your favorite wing sauce or buffalo sauce. It's going to give it that nice kick that we're all looking for. And I like a little bit of ancho chili in mine. So, right? That's the great thing about cooking. You put in what you like. Okay, we're going to give this all a mix, and then we're going to get our eggs stuffed. That's simple. Okay, so if you want, you could actually take this mixture and put it in a piping bag, or you could just spoon it in. And that's what I'm going to do. Trying to keep it just nice and simple. Just a little dollop in the middle. Just like that. All right, look how cute those look, right? Almost too cute to eat, but not really. Okay, so I've got a little dried chive. I'm just going to put a little bit of that over the top. And you could use fresh. I love having the dried on hand, though, because I just always have them, always available. All right, excellent. Good, just like that. And then blue cheese, right? Every time I think about wings or things like that, I think about blue cheese. So I'm just going to crumble a little bit over the top, right? Just like that. It's a little messy when you cook, but that's okay. You got to get in there. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little of the blue cheese just around the plate. Just like that. Okay. How simple. We're going to give these a taste for you in just a minute. I mean, buffalo deviled eggs, right?
That's cool. That's a
I mean,
cool
it really
idea.
is kind of devilish, right? If you call like buffalo a little spice in there, it's kind of what I'm thinking.
Spicy.
Right?
Yeah.
And they also have a little hint of sweet because we have that honey in there. Okay, I'm going in.
Is it time?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think there's any way to really do this. Like, just pop it in.
Yeah.
You doing the whole thing?
I am.
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Mm-hmm. It takes a minute. Oh, that's nice.
I think these might be my new favorite eggs. So you saw how easy they were. I didn't even use a mixer. You could if you wanted to, but I just smashed it really good and then just kind of used a spoon to get if there's any lumps in there. I just don't think it's necessary. One less thing for you to clean. Oh my gosh. You also get that ancho chili on the back end, but it's it's like a sweet spice, so it's not like a pitch in the face kind of spice. Yeah. Delicious. Anyway.
I think I better try this one.
To make sure it's still good?
Yeah.
So the recipe will be easy, double, triple, whatever you want to do. Have it in the description below. If you like these recipes, please share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed yet, please do that as well. And don't forget to click that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming out. I love you all. Happy eating.